I have a leather couch that we got back in 2016. It's the Hamilton sofa from West Elm, and we've loved this couch. It's been used day in and day out by our family, which includes 3 boys who are now all teenagers. Other than maybe spot cleaning here and there, I haven't done anything to keep this conditioned, and I know I should have been. It's definitely showing its age, and cat scratches and random spots here and there. And I have no idea why the one back cushion is all spotted. It's the freckled cushion, I guess. But it was the faded look of the cushions that was really bothering me. So I decided to try giving the couch a little refresh with some leather conditioner. I was feeling pretty nervous to try this. I didn't want to ruin my couch. But it definitely needs some help, so here we go. I started by giving the couch a good wipe down and then vacuumed it. I used Leather Honey leather conditioner. It's linked below. It had really good reviews, so I decided it would be a good one to try. I first tested it out on the side of the cushion, a spot you don't see, just in case it did something weird. I could definitely see a difference right away. The leather became darker and richer looking. I let that sit for a while, again just to be sure it wasn't going to ruin it or anything. It was actually about a week before I found the time to come back and do the whole couch. Since everything went fine with the test spot, I decided to go for it with the cushions. I found that it was best to pour the Leather Honey onto my cloth and kind of work it into the cloth so there wasn't a huge glop of it going straight onto the leather. It can leave dark streaks or spots if it goes on too heavy. You can wipe those spots down though with a clean cloth, and once the Leather Honey soaked in and dried, I couldn't really see those spots anymore. But I thought it went best if I let it soak into the cloth and just applied it lightly to the leather and then just continued to go over it and over it. The immediate difference it made was pretty obvious. The lighting wasn't always the best. It was hard to capture it by video, but you can see the difference here between the cushion that had the Leather Honey on it and the one that didn't. And then here's the cushions on the couch. The one on the left is the one with the conditioner on it. Seeing that difference got me excited to get the whole couch done. I just continued the process on all the cushions. I did find that the piping around the cushions and on the arms of the couch would darken a lot more than the cushions, so I made sure to rub the conditioner onto that pretty lightly so it wouldn't contrast too much. I also kept a clean cloth that I would use to wipe down spots that I applied the conditioner on a little bit too heavy, and that would help it blend in better. And here's a little before and after of the seat cushions. The one on the left has the conditioner on it. And I did the arms and front and back of the couch as well. The back of our couch had a bunch of white scratches on it, and using the Leather Honey on it made those fade almost completely. And here's the after. So much better. This is just a quick reminder of the before. And how it looks after. Again, depending on how the lighting hits the couch, it's hard to see in video, but in person it made a really big difference. You can still see spots and marks on the couch, but to me that's just part of the character of leather. I am going to do another coat soon. I think it could use it, just because I hadn't done this before and the leather seems pretty dried out. So maybe it'll get even better with more applications. Overall, I'm so happy with how this turned out and wish I could have done it sooner. Even Kit Kat approves, but let's just keep our claws off the couch, kitty.